Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp if it's not receiving SMS verification code. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, go ahead and double check that your phone number is entered perfectly, including the exact country code. Let's say you are from the Philippines, okay? Basically, our number starts with 09, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? It starts with 0. Now, you're going to want to add in, make sure that you add in plus, and then the country code, in our case, from the Philippines, 639, okay? Or plus 63, and then followed by the number without 0 in the first section, okay? That's basically it. Enter it, click on send verification code, and then you should be able to receive one. Now, if that still won't work, gotta find your WhatsApp app. Tap and hold onto it, and tap on the information icon. And then in here, go ahead and scroll down, find storage. And just tap on clear cache. And then once that's cleared, go ahead and go back. Go back to the top, go ahead over to permissions. Scroll down and find SMS. Tap on it. Make sure that this one is allowed, okay? Tap on allow if you're having a problem. If you don't have a problem, so I'm just going to leave it to default. All right? And then once that's done, go ahead and retry to send the verification code. Now, if that still won't work, gotta find your control center, and then here, turn the airplane mode, turn it on for about 10 seconds, and then once it's turned on, turn it back off again to force a cellular network reconnect. All right, another way to fix that issue, if you have a mobile data, turn off your Wi-Fi, turn on your mobile data. After that, then go ahead and open up WhatsApp, log in, or sign up. And then you should be able to receive your SMS verification code. And if all else fails, just wait for the SMS countdown timer, usually 1 to 2 minutes, okay? And after that, it will expire. And once the countdown finishes, tap the call me button, okay? So that you will receive an automated voice call that will dictate your 6-digit verification code. That is it. That is how you fix WhatsApp not receiving SMS verification code. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.